In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your iPad to Find My iPhone. So if you want to add your iPad to Find My iPhone so you can track your device, what you need to do is first head over to the Settings app and then click on your profile name in the top left-hand navigation. From here, select Find My, and then right at the top here, make sure you have Find My iPad turned on and enabled. So I'm just going to click on Find My iPad, and you can see this is turned on. You also want to make sure that Find My Network is also turned on and enabled, and then also turn on Send Last Location. Now, once you've turned this on, you can head over to the Find My iPhone app on your iPad, and then if you click on Devices, you'll be able to see all of the devices that you currently have linked to Find My iPhone. So you can see all of mine are currently down here and being tracked, and you'll basically be able to track now your iPad on your mobile device, or basically on any device that you're signed in to your iCloud account. You just need to make sure you're signed in with the same iCloud account that's linked to your iPad, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.